Sailaja Mohan. Welcome to Harry's Kitchen. In today's Harry's Kitchen, we are going to see the preparation of delicious South Indian recipe, THAYIR VADA. In Hindi they call it DAHI VADA. In English, curd VADA. Now let's see how to prepare the curd VADA. Before watching our program, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Then only you will get our video updates regularly. Please come, watch our program. For making the THAYIR VADA, let us see what are the ingredients we require. Urad Dall 1 cup, curd half liter, ginger cut into pieces 7 or 8 pieces, green chillies 4, curry leaves handful, grated coconuts 2 tablespoons, grated carrot 2 tablespoons, Karaboondi 2 tablespoons, salt as required, oil for frying. Let us see how we are going to prepare it. Wash the urad dal thoroughly and soak it for 3 hours. Grind it in a mixer along with 1 green chilli and few ginger pieces to a fluffy batter by adding water little by little. Now the batter is ready. Add salt and curry leaves and mix it well. Now grind the ginger, green chillies, grated coconut, add water and grind it to a smooth paste. Add this paste to the curd. Add half spoon of salt and mix it well. Heat the oil in a pan for frying the vadas. On the other side of the stove, boil 3 cups of water in a pan. Now the oil is hot. Wet your hands with water. Take the batter and make the vadas with a hole in the middle and drop it one by one in the hot oil. Fry them till they turn golden brown in color. Remove the fried vadas and add them to the boiling water and soak them for at least 3 minutes. After soaking in water, remove them and add to the curd. Repeat the same process with the rest of the batter and add all the vadas to the curd. That's all. Now yummy THAYIR VADA is ready. Garnish it with grated carrot and Karaboondi. Keep it in the fridge for 2 hours and serve it chilled. Hope you have enjoyed watching our programs. Press the like button, give your comments and share it with your friends and relatives. But don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Keep supporting us. Bye bye.